Today we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at all the components inside of the Fountain Series F1600 Tri-Power Pump Kit. Along with your 8 100-watt panels, you'll have 3 boxes. We'll start by opening the pump box. All of the boxes in this kit are okay to be opened with a blade. Just be sure not to cut too deep. Your pump will be tightly wrapped in protective material. You can cut this material away, just ensure to keep your blade far away from the pump wire. Next, we will be opening your accessories box. In here, you'll find everything you need, minus the float, to get your pump ready for the water. In this box, you have your 18-page full-color installation manual, 100 feet of yellow poly rope for either anchoring your pump or tethering it to the shore. Next, you have 20 feet of solar wires. These will be used to connect your solar panels to your DC disconnect switch. Your kit will also include all the splicing and crimping material and some thread tape. With each kit, we include the PVC plumbing that comes out of the top of the pump and 2 fountain heads. Each fountain head will create a different aesthetic. You can freely choose the one that is right for your pond. Finally, we have the DC disconnect that will connect your pump and panels together. The last piece you have is the float that the pump and the fountain head will sit in. In addition to everything pictured here, you will also receive 16 100-watt solar panels, which we've shown off in depth in previous videos.
If you have any solar questions, leave them in the comments below and they'll be featured in a future video, or we'll answer them in the comments. Be sure to like and subscribe. We're producing new content every week, so hit that notification button and subscribe to the videos to stay up to date on the latest solar pumping news.